Hey guys, Antonio here with another video on the 48 Laws of Power by Robert Greene, and today we're going to be talking about never appear too perfect, Law 46. And before we get started, click that subscribe button down low, follow along with more videos like this and straight to your inbox every single week. Let's get started. So, never appear too perfect. When you seem perfect, what ends up happening is you end up creating silent enemies around you that you don't even know about. You need to show off some harmless vices and show off some defects in order to get people to think that you aren't too perfect. And I have seen this rule happen in my life multiple times. There have been times where I've joined a brand new group of friends or a brand new group of co-workers, and when I joined the group originally, I came off as a little bit too perfect. And not to say that I'm perfect by any means the word, I have plenty of flaws, but what ends up happening is because I was portrayed in that perfect light while I was there, people started envying me. People started to not want to be around me because I wasn't like them. They knew they had their flaws. They did not want to be around someone that was perfect them because it makes them different. They're too good for them. They're not in the same status. No one wants to be with them. So I've also seen this happen the other way around, where I've been in a group of people and I knew my flaws, and someone comes in and seems too perfect. No matter how hard I try, there's always been a little bit of envy towards that person, until I've caught myself using this law, realizing that this is just this law that's happening. It's not really something that I'm causing to think. It's the law that's happening. Just let go of the envy. It's not something that's bothering me. So coming off sometimes as a lower status person can be really good to avoid other people trying to attack and pull you down. So you can work down low, do the things you need to get done in order to gain power, and when the time is right, then gain power. Master the art of timing, right? But while you are doing that, act lowly, act as if you're a lower status. That allows you to not create enemies right away, not have people attacking you right away. And the reversal of this law here is that if someone is already envious because you seem too perfect, what you should do is take every single chance you possibly can and make it seem like you are more perfect. Because what this does, it has the effect of getting under the other person's skin. And when you get under the other person's skin, it allows you to have so much more control over the scenario. Now that you have so much more control, you have more power. So the reversal of this law allows you to have more power, and the actual law itself allows you to have more power as well by hiding the fact that you may not have many flaws. Or no flaws at all, which is really not possible. So, hope you enjoyed today's video on never appearing too perfect. Please, guys, I'm going to leave a link in the description down low. Follow along with this book. I highly suggest you buy it. So much more information. We only got 2 chapters left here. I really suggest you buy it. And as always, remember that a chapter a day allows for success to make way. I will catch you guys in the next one.